Hi, my name's Derek Milroy. We were looking to upgrade our ensuite shower, and we'd used Liberty in the past for replacing our kitchen and upgrading our bathroom. So with no hesitation in going back, because the quality of work and the guidance that we got through the whole process previously was fantastic. We gave them a very specific brief about needing or wanting to have an anti-slip shower tray, because our existing tray was like an ice rink and it was plastic and it moved, and we wanted something that was solid and good quality and would last. One that they thought would be the best for us was the Senstec shower tray. Not the cheapest, but it was a very good tray and was certainly anti-slip. So we decided to go ahead with that, and when the tray arrived, I was amazed how heavy it was, and once it was in place, the anti-slip is fantastic. It's comfortable to stand on, it's easy to keep clean, and it's just amazing. You feel very secure in it, and it certainly does everything that we need it to do. So the good thing about the Senstec tray is that the anti-slip is a raised stud that's on all across the shower tray. So unlike others that we'd looked at, where they were like a coating on the top, or something that potentially might wear off over time, there's no chance of the studs wearing away because they're part of the tray construction. So it should last forever. It looks an amazing thing. So the Senstec tray is comfortable to use, even with the raised studs on the base. You really don't notice them when you're using it. You feel very safe and secure in it. There's very little chance at all of slipping, which is fantastic and exactly what we wanted. To keep it clean is not an issue. It's fairly straightforward. You perhaps need to be a bit more thorough in between the studs, but it's certainly not difficult. It's easy to do, and the good thing about it is the studs aren't going to wear off. They are part of the tray design, and it's excellent. So for everything that we asked, they were fantastic. They delivered exactly what we needed. The installation was great, as was everything before, and we had absolutely no complaints. It was fantastic. So a great result all around. We're very happy.